nga ng number 5.
No, naro Z. Oo ka na.
Zoo? Na may zoo ang pangalan.
She wore a... Ano sa man eh? Ano, yellow.
Yellow.
Why?
Why?
No dress. What's dress? What dress? Try on SS. Sir R, send me super chat here. Oh my God.
Saan eh?
Yellow. Why na siya yellow?
Willow.
Yellow. Teaching
Willow.
makmak. Hello, Sir R. You can send super chat here. What's this? Pin to live stream.
Ma, saan eh, ma? Ma, saan eh?
This is not here. I already gave her part. She said thank you. Come on. The boy. Saan na? Tesa. Xylophone man na. X. Xylophone. English. Underline the naming word, person, place, animal. I saw a lion or thing. Underline the naming word. Went to the beach.
Okay rani. Ma, okay rani, oh.
Oh. Sige na. Butayin na pangalan. Hello to my 12 viewers. Sorry guys because I teach makmak. I'm the teacher of makmak tonight. Look. As a single mom, I am the one who teach makmak. Hello to my viewers.
Love you.
Hi. Hello everyone. Welcome to my life. Saan yung marulin dyan? I want more ice ref. More than that. 5 or 10. 5 to 10.
Mana?
Well, anyway, thank you. Sige, underline. Imo dong linyahan ang lugar o unsay i-describe diha. The teacher writing with the board. Wait. The teacher kaniyo writing. The teacher underline ang teacher. Sa may ang giingon ang teacher man. He's just standing going serious. Lagi underline na nimo kung unsa butang ba siya. Inang underline na kanang teacher. Unsa ma, the teacher is writing on the board. Teacher mo. Kay name, animals, person na siya.
Teacher writing the board.
Oh, sige na. Linyahin na, underline. I am the teacher of the lion at the zoo. Di mo na place ng zoo. Sige na, teacher. Sige na, underline. Underline, badlisan. Lagi kabalo si Makmak. Ambot lang ni mo Mak, oy. Underline, badlisan. Circulan. Well, I am teaching with my son. Doing